everyone, I'm Ruby from Ruby Artist Studio. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a chili pepper, and for this drawing I'm using the color that I'm going to mention now. The first one is the medium flesh color. It's number 131 in Faber-Castell Polychromos. And then for the other layers I'm using some shades of red. That is the deep scarlet red, color 219, middle cadmium red 217, and the dark red, which is 225. So I'm putting these colors in the order that I told you. Very smooth and soft layer with very sharp colored pencil, and when I'm reaching the other part I'm going to tell you which color I have been using. And as you're noticing, I'm not putting the color everywhere because what makes the drawing to look realistic is some sort of highlighted lights, and I have chose the upper part of the chili pepper to be the receiver of the light, so I don't put any color there. In realism style drawing, we usually don't have very sharp specific lines. Usually all the lines and all the colors are a little bit faded away, and this makes the drawing much more realistic. It's totally okay to go back to your brighter colors and put some shades in order to kind of fade the previous color away. And usually for putting the darkest part of the fruit or vegetable or any other design, I first use the dark sepia, which is 175 in Faber-Castell Polychromos, and then if needed I will put the black color, which is the number 199. Usually I don't go directly to the black. It's better to start with the gray color and then to the black one. And for the green color I am using the light green, which is number 171, the leaf green, which is 112, and then the deep cobalt green, which is number 158. I hope you have enjoyed the video today. I will be very happy to hear your comments and suggestions, and see you in the next week video.